So what I'm going to do here is show you how to extract raster values at point locations when the data is multi-band. So it actually turns out that it doesn't matter. So if you have watched prior videos where you've extracted a single band values from a single band raster out, it's actually the exact same process, which is nice. Okay, so here we have again a subset of a Sentinel-2 image that I processed earlier. Oop. Oh, there we go. And what we'd like to do is extract values at some point locations. So first thing I need to do is create some points. I'm going to go into this file, this geo package, and then I'm going to call this prog points, and set the geometry to point. Okay, and then we'll just create some points. So go into drawing here, and we're going to just add a few points. Doesn't have to be anything specific. I'm just grabbing some points around. Okay, so there's some points. Let's save. They're kind of hard to see, so let's change the symbology real quick. Make them, I don't know, do like a red, make them a little bit bigger. Okay, so there's our sample points. So now we would like to extract the raster values at those point locations. So that can be done with the sample raster values tool, which is available inside of QGIS. So it's under the raster analysis like sub toolbox. So I'm going to open that up and note the points came in, and then we want to give it a file. We'll just grab this prog merge file, and then we can give it a prefix for the fields that will be added. So since this is Sentinel-2, let's do a prefix of S2 underscore, and then we'll hit run. Okay, so that was quick. And then if it had noted it created a new temporary layer there. If we go into the attribute table now, you can see that we have values for each of the 4 bands that are in that stack. So this is band 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's basically the same process as a single band, extracting values for a single band. So it's basically the same technique. So what I'll do quickly is just show you if you wanted to say create random points and extract values at those random locations, what that would look like. So what I'm going to do is create a mask, a mask extent. So I'm going to create a new layer here. I'm just going to call it prog area, and we'll do polygon. Okay, and then we'll start editing that layer. I'll grab our editing tool here, and we're just going to make a mask over this extent. Oop. Try it again. Missed the point up. All right. There we go. That's good. So now we have this extent, and let's create some random points within that extent. So now I'm going to go up to vector and then research tools, and there should be random points inside polygons. And let's just generate. We'll do a point count, and we'll generate. I don't know. Let's do 50. So 50 random points. No minimum distance is set. Let's just set that. We'll say we don't want them to be within 20 meters of each other. And then that should generate an output. Oh, this is in degrees, so that might not work. Let's just leave that be. All right, so let's do this. So we'll run, close. So there we have 50 points spread out across that extent. And then if we wanted to extract values of those points, we'd basically just do the same process. So we can grab that prog merge, call it S2. Notice in the last one, it looks like it already adds the underscore, so I'm just not going to do it this time. And we got a layer there, open attribute table, So yeah, see, it already added the underscore. And then we have the values at all those 50 points. Okay, so that's extracting values at point locations for multi-band raster data in QGIS.